But this lady was looking at me like with an attitude, like, girl. Hey y'all, so I dropped my baby girl to school, so I'm waiting for the store to open, and then I need to go pick up the shot bottles. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So y'all, I saw this on TikTok. I ordered it from Amazon. It's supposed to be like a replacement of a car mount for the camera. It's a sticky pad. So I guess I just stick it right here and then what is it? Anti-slip. So yeah, I got this from Amazon because the TikTok girlies said that it works. So I don't know, am I supposed to block this vent right here? Oh, it's not that sticky. Hold on, y'all. Y'all, my stomach growling. Okay, but the real test is gonna be when I start driving. Let's see if it'll slip. But it has like these rigid marks on it, so it shouldn't. But we gonna give it a test when I start driving again. So when I leave here, then we're gonna go to CVS to pick up my order. And you know, that's weird that it must have been a new UPS driver, because the UPS drivers have a code and they just put it in the locker, but this driver didn't for some reason. So it had to be a new driver, because a normal driver, he's there all the time. Like, I just saw him yesterday. So so they took it to an access point, which is at CVS. So I gotta go to CVS to pick up the stuff, to pick up the bottles. So yeah, so I'm just waiting. The store opens in 5 more minutes, and it's a little cold today, and I got on shorts. So after this, I'm gonna work out. After these two things, I'm gonna go work out, and then I'm gonna make juice. Oh, they open the door? Because I'll go in there now. I like they open the door already, but I don't want to just bombard in there. I gotta get a couple of things. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I don't know why I'm whispering. Wait, if they let this lady in, then I'm gonna go too. Oh, okay, let me go. Ciao. Okay. Alright, y'all. I have the camera. I have the camera on the sticky pad, so it seems like it's okay. Is it a little shaky? I can't even tell, but I guess when I watch the video. If not, I'll have to stabilize the video. But so far, so good. And y'all, I lost my battery for my camera. Like, I had an extra battery, and I don't know where it is. The last thing I remember, my daughter had it, and I took it from her. So I don't know if she took it again and put it somewhere, or I just put it somewhere where I can't remember, because I cannot find it. I cleaned up a little bit and retraced my steps to see if I remember where I put it, but I don't. I wonder if I lost it at the mall, but I couldn't have, because I brought the camera, but I didn't bring the battery. So I don't know where that thing is, to be honest. I have no idea, but it just makes me a little upset with myself, because it's like, dang girl, you over here throwing money away. So now I am on my way to CVS to pick up the bottles. I was trying to get some B-roll, but like inside all these, but this lady was looking at me like with an attitude, like, girl, why you gotta give me attitude? I I'm just trying to, YouTube is my job, okay? But what was I gonna say? I don't remember what I'm about to say, but yeah, I'm on my way to CVS. Oh, and y'all, I don't know why I keep doing this, but you know, like the remote, how you call it? The push start. Like, you know, the car is gonna start if your keys are in there. Why I left my keys in the key holder? Why I left my keys in the cup holder? Like, and I went inside the store and I left the keys there the entire time. And I did that yesterday too when I got home, and I did it when I went inside Publix. Like, what's wrong with me? This mom brain, it is real. I still got mom brain. Like, I can't believe I forgot that. God, thank you for not letting anybody see those keys and break into the car. And well, they wouldn't have to break in because it's already open, but I just want to thank God that nobody saw the keys and took the car. Like, that would have been the last thing that I needed. I don't know what's going on with me, but it's crazy because it's like, when it comes to my daughter, I won't forget nothing, but like anything outside of that, like my brain just be, I don't know, my brain be somewhere else sometimes. Child, I thought they lost the bottles because it took forever for her to find them. But she got them. So now I'm finna head home. Alright, so now I'm about to go to the gym. Y'all see I say I'm losing my mind? I forgot to put the car in park. I'm losing my mind, y'all. I'm losing my mind. Pray for me. When I'm working out, I like to watch YouTube, but it just makes workout easier for me for the time to go by. So that's what I'm doing. Work out for me, work out for me. I'm going to go wig shopping. My nail came off, y'all. I'm going to go wig shopping. And my daughter is gonna be in school for about 5 hours. So, but I'm gonna go wig shopping, and I'm gonna try to go to the gym when I'm done. And it's kind of cold, but it's a good cold. But I will take you guys along with me. And of course, I left my camera home. I'm recording on my phone, but the quality is still giving. But yeah. Addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off, I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you, and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could find something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off, I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. You know what's annoying about wigs sometimes? Like, they can be wrong with the price, but if they're wrong with the price, they can't give you the price that, even though it was their mistake. Like, that don't make sense to me. Whatever. I'm just like, I don't get it. It don't make sense. A vegetable rung up for $7, but in reality it's 2 for $5. And because they mess up the sign, I have to still lose out on $7 of wick when I could have just had $5. But I just said, okay, no problem, and I walked away and said, have a nice day, because I don't want to be that customer that gets upset for $2. So I let it go. Alright, so I am at the gym now, and don't mind my shirt. I don't wear cute clothes to work out. I'm sorry. When I get this body right, then maybe I will. But I'm gonna work out for 30 minutes and just ease my way into working out, because honestly, working out is not my thing, but at least I'm doing something. So yeah, let me get this workout in. Now into the vlog.
Get out of there.
So Daddy-O, that's Daddy-O. What's his name? Until further notice.
Until further notice.
Got it.
I'm just messing with you. Have a kiss?
Oh, he's funky.
Give
He's
me a
came
kiss.
from a gym.
Mwah.
Oh, juicy lips.
He's not a very, his love language is not, what is that called? Oh, I don't even know. Affectionate? Like, that's not his love language.
I'm very affectionate. I kissed you and I didn't even brush my teeth.
You said what?
I kissed you and I didn't even brush my teeth.
So that makes you very affectionate?
That's love.
He's not a very affectionate person. I am.
Times again, I testify to you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now wait for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, do it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah, girl. In the top, the white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Take this argument back up to my place. I
want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.